So this is our blank project. Today video we are going to practice on our Cisco ASA firewall. Okay, so let's bring our ASA here. I have ASA firewall and I want to bring cloud. Okay, this one will be GNS3. Okay, internet switch. Okay, okay, our switch here, and then our PC client. Okay, PC client. Okay, let's connect management port. I'm not going to use management, I use this port. Okay, okay, so let's start our firewall. Okay, okay, so we bring the console port, waiting our firewall to start up for the first time. Okay, so now our firewall is starting up and done all the checking. We can see this now we can continue our lab practice. We enable password, no password. Okay, so interface IP brief. Okay, we don't have any configuration yet, so let's start configure on our port here. Okay, configure terminal, and then we configure on our interface gigabit 0/0. This will be okay. Before we start, I would like to explain a little bit. Okay, so our firewall, our ASA firewall here, and from this part we call it outside world or outside network. So from this part we can say inside or internal network, and we also can say that this is our LAN. Okay, so this for ASA, outside is the interface that connect to the ISP. Okay, this one will be inside. Okay, okay, so let's go back to our configuration. This interface we nameif. Okay, outside. Okay, okay, so this is the default security level that ASA consider that outside interface it is very strictly for the security. So it automatically assigned to 0. Anyway, we should configure again, because this is our lab practice. Make sure that we go through step by step on the configuration. Okay, so we name it outside interface, and then security level 0. Okay, IP address. Normally my my network, my home network, this one will be 192.168.100 124. Okay, normally this is the IP address that I use for testing. Okay, and then inside interface, let's say 172.16.10.1/24. Okay, this is for inside. Okay, so IP address 192.168.100.100 255.255.255.0. Okay, no sat. Okay, okay, done. Interface G0/1 nameif inside. Okay, so same thing for inside interface. ASA firewall will set the higher security level, so 100 is the default setting. Okay, security level 100, IP address 172.16.10.1 255.255.255.0. no sub. Okay, so we are done on the IP address assignment on our outside interface and inside interface. Okay, let's start our core switch here, and then our PC client. So our PC client, PC1. Okay, PC1, let's say I duplicate. This one will be 10.11, duplicate. .10. Okay, okay, I will give the IP address like that. So IP 172.16.10.11/24. gateway is 172.16.10.1. Okay, okay, so can we ping to our gateway? Ping 172.16.10.1. okay, we can ping. Can we ping to our client here? Not yet. Okay, let's go into our another user. Okay, and then we assign the IP address to our client here. IPv4 172.16.10.10. okay, 255.255.255.0. Our gateway 172.16.10.1. okay. Okay, so it looked like okay. Now let's try to ping to our client. Let's say ping to our gateway 116.10.1. okay, we can ping to our client here 11 also can ping. So this one can ping this one. Let's try to ping our PC 10 again. Okay, so now these two clients can communicate with each other. So this is the basic configuration on ASA firewall that we configure outside interface and inside interface. If we have a look at our firewall configuration, we can see that this is our configuration that we configure just now. Nameif outside, nameif inside. Okay, so if you have any question, you can comment below in my video, and next practice we will allow our client can access to the internet. Okay, so this is we will configure NAT on our ASA firewall here. So see you again in my next lab practice. Thank you.